Hello yogis, and welcome to the Yoga TX YouTube channel. My name is Jill Enticknap, and I created a sequence for you to help you open up tight hips. It's just a quick little sequence, about 10 minutes. So if you're someone who feels like you experience a lot of tension and tightness through your hips, you are in the perfect place, and I am super happy to share this short hip opening practice with you. So we're going to start seated and bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees come out wide, coming into our butterfly pose. Let's start by flapping out the knees, bringing some mobility into the hips. You decide the pace of this flap, and you decide how high or how low you bring the knees, but just start flapping out those knees. Find some stillness as you bring your hands down onto your shins, maybe wrapping the hands around the legs. Inhale, arch the spine forward. Exhale, round the spine back. Inhale, arch the spine forward. Exhale, round the spine back. Stay mindful of the breath. Move with your breath. Let's take a couple more rounds as we arch forward on an inhale. Exhale, round it back. Draw the belly button to the spine. Inhale, arch it forward. And exhale, round it back. Come to neutral. Take your right foot, send it out to the right. Inhale your arms up overhead and exhale, fold over that right leg. Keeping the left foot tucked in and shine your chest toward your toes. Take your right hand to the inside edge of your right leg and reach your left hand overhead. Start to feel that length from the left hip through the fingertips. Let's inhale the arms back through center, keep them lifted, take your right foot, send it straight forward, tuck that left foot into the inside edge of the right foot, inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold forward over that front foot, draw your chest toward your toes, come forward, feel into that length through the hamstrings. And then let's inhale, arms come up. Take that left leg over top of the right. Inhale as you lengthen and exhale as you twist to the left. Draw the left shoulder back, stay tall. Draw that knee across the front line of the body. Come back through center. Bring the soles of the feet together and take a moment and flap out those knees. Switching to the left side, take the left foot, send it out to the left. Inhale, arms up, square over that left leg, and exhale, fold forward. Shine the chest toward the toes. Take the left hand to the inside edge of the left leg and sweep the right hand overhead. Feel that length from the hip through the fingertips. Inhale, arms come back up. Take that left foot straight forward, keeping the right foot tucked in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, drawing your chest toward your toes. Come forward rather than down. Inhale, your arms come up. Take that right foot to the outside edge of the left leg. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist right. Draw the right shoulder back, gaze back. You can use that left hand to draw the left knee across the front line of the body. Breathe deep. Let's come back through center once again, soles of the feet together, and inhale, arch the spine forward, exhale, round the spine back. Inhale, arch the spine forward, exhale, round the spine back. Two more, inhale, arch, exhale, round, inhale, arch, exhale, round. Come back to neutral. Draw the knees together and plant them hip width distance on the floor in front of you. Take your hands slightly behind you as you lean back, keeping your back straight. Let's take a moment to windshield wiper out the knees, shifting the knees from side to side. Come through center, take the left ankle above the right knee for figure 4. Now what I love about this figure 4 is you decide how much sensation you experience in your body by how close you bring the foot or how far you pull it away. You decide. And then you can always press the left knee forward, and that really changes the sensation through the left hip. Take 2 more deep breaths here in stillness. And then let's bring a shift into the right knee from right to left. And again, you decide how big of a range of motion this is in your body. Come through center, take that left foot, plant it on the floor, right ankle comes above the left knee. You decide how close or how far away this foot is, looking for a sensation that feels right for you. Trust your intuition, trust that you know what's right for your body. Press the right knee forward, just see how that feels. And then let's bring a shift from side to side in that left knee. Shifting from side to side. Come back through center, right foot plants back on the floor. Take a moment to windshield wiper back out the knees. Come through center, heel toe the feet away from one another as you draw the knees together and let the knees kind of knock in together. We're going to take 3 deep breaths here. This is really good to create internal rotation through the hips. If we don't do this, there can be a lot of tension and tightness in the hips because we don't do internal rotation often enough. Let's take 1 more deep breath here. And then let both knees fall over to the right and draw the left shoulder back as you gaze back. Deep breaths. Come back through center. Let's drop both knees over to the left. Draw the right shoulder back, gaze back. Come back through center. Bring the soles of the feet back together again. Let's take the hands onto the knees. Get nice and tall on an inhale. And exhale, hinge forward with the spine. Hinge forward from the hips. Keeping the spine straight. Let's walk the hands out in front of us. Walk your hands over to your right side. Walk your hands over to your left side. Come back through center. Get tall through the spine. Take a moment to flap out the knees again. Find some stillness as you send both feet forward. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, fold forward. Stay straight through the spine, drawing the chest toward the toes. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Maybe with your exhale, you're able to sink a little bit more forward with the chest. Come back through center. Come back into that easy seat. Press your palms at heart center, closing down your eyes. There is our little 10-minute hip opening practice. Know that you can do this multiple times a day. So be sure to subscribe to the Yoga TX YouTube channel so that you can be reminded when there are new classes. Be sure to save this video if it is something that felt good in your body. Know that you can slow it down. Know that you can do it multiple times. Thanks for being here. Thanks for sharing in this space and doing something good for your well-being. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap here on the Yoga TX channel. If you'd like to learn more about me, you can go to yogiinstitute.com, my website. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. Until we meet again, may your light be your guide.